19 years ago, I moved from Northern California to New Jersey. Yes, people thought I was nuts, but my family is here in New Jersey and I wanted to plant roots in Holland Township. I grew up going to the Riegel Ridge Community Center. I did gymnastics, went to fabulous dances, and also hung out by the pool. If I wasn't at the pool, then I was going to the Delaware River, bringing my tube on the rope swing and by the boat launch. My new listing will allow you to set roots in Holland Township. With a little bit of sweat equity, a whole lot of love, you can purchase a single family home in Hunterdon County. Let's go check it out.